Uli na miss kita. Hala, ako din, be. Ang pangit mo pa rin. Hala, grabe. Ikaw din. Amoy bulok na bagang pa rin yung hininga mo. Gusto kitang sakalin. Ay, hala, be. Tingnan mo yan, oh. Di ba yan yung nagyabang sa JC na nagbakasyon daw siya sa ibang bansa? Oo, kilala ko yan. Pero isang linggo lang naman siya dun, eh. Hey, you two. What you are see? Ano daw? Oh, sorry, I forgot myself. You two don't understanding what to say to me because your English is disappear. Binahihilo ako. Kailangan ako makasapak ng bobo. Nga lang, akong bahala. Hoy, ang kapal ang mukha nito, pa English ka pa, ay mali-mali rin naman sinasabi mo. Saka isang linggo ka lang naman nagstay sa ibang bansa, pa ganyan-ganyan ka na, ay mukha ka pa rin naman talangka. What? Talengka? Talengka? Ay kung hampasin kaya kita ng talangka para matawan ka. Well, it's nothing anymore my problem in mathematical equation that I don't understanding to say what you to me. You too dead hungry. Hoy, yung totoo, nag-a-addict ka ba o natukhang ka sa ibang bansa? Huh? Why is me going to be addict? Don't you know that I'm smarter than the teacher of international in the Philippines? Like, duh, my average is 99.99% of germs. Matalino ka? Ay, anong magagawa mo pag sinikmuraan kita mismo dito? Go try, I am not afraid anymore. I will go sumbong you to my bodyguard. Bayaan mo na yung besi, tara na. Ewers, mga loser, you can't even talk English to me. Ay, wait, papatulang ko to. You little bulwak na inidoro, you're making me irritate to the functionality of my brain that can sampal you little bigger booger that the size of your booger is 200% kilometer per hour with bacteria. Now B, it's your turn. Let me be the one to finish these cockroaches. Yeah, period. Galing mo talaga.